Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the new garage. I'm sorry it's been so long since the last video. It's been a very busy couple of weeks. We were moving, we had our baby. It's been super busy, very hectic, so I've not had time to make any videos, so my apologies. Anyway, today's video, I have something under this blanket here that I have been waiting on for like 6 months for this truck. Actually, I ordered it 6 months ago. I've been waiting to try to get this part since 2015 again, because it got to the point where you couldn't find them, and nobody was making them. Finally, a guy started making them, and I have one. I'm so excited about it. So anyway, the black truck here, it's just the daily driver. Maybe not even the daily driver. We'll call it the shop truck. Shop truck, parts truck, run to town, trash truck, whatever you want to call it. But it's my black S10, the Xtreme, 4.3 5-speed truck. I love it. Anyway, my boys nicknamed it Midnight the other day. So anytime you hear me talk about Midnight or anything, it's going to be this truck. I left that up to them. I told them to give me a nickname for it, and I actually like it. So we're going to call it Midnight from now on. Anyway, I'm about to rip this blanket off, show you guys what I got here. I'll tell you the story behind this here in just a minute. But anyway, let's rip this off, let you guys get a look at it, and I'll explain it a little more. Oh, look at that. Some of you guys may not know what this is. It's obviously a body kit, but it's a body kit for the truck. As you can see, it's been missing all of this since 2015. And the reason it was missing that is because you couldn't find these anymore. And I could have bought the stock step kit to go back around, but they're super ugly. I mean, this is pretty ugly too, but I've drove it around for like 9 years like that. So anyway, finally got this step shaver kit. So anyway, there's a guy, I'll explain him really quick. Look him up on Facebook. If any of you guys are needing fiberglass kits, this is fiberglass, as you can see. Very well made. They're all handmade, obviously. And as you make an order with him, he builds it. After you make the order, you have to send him the payment. It's just a one-man show there, so order with some patience, because you're getting a good quality part, and give him some time and he will get you a good part. So anyway, a little story behind these things. These things used to be super popular on these trucks, because S10s used to, like the mini trucking scene used to be so big, and it's just slowly fading away because you just don't see the trucks out on the road anymore. And my generation that grew up in these trucks, that love these trucks, like, I don't know, as you know, I mean, people get older, they get rid of their trucks, and you just don't have them anymore. So anyway, I've still got all of mine. I'm not planning on getting rid of them. I love them. It's my passion. But anyway, these kits are finally back in production as of, I think it was this March. Maybe he had the molds ready. Started taking orders on them. I placed my order in April. So yeah, it takes a little bit of time, because you get put on the list to get them, and he just makes them as he can. He does a lot of these. He has a regular S10 step shaver kit. He does roll pans for S10s, roll pans for OBS trucks, roll pans for Nissan trucks. He's got a bunch of stuff. Wiper cowls, cab spoilers, body kits, like cameo bumper covers. I think he does some other bumper covers. So anyway, if you guys are looking for somebody that makes this stuff, check him out on Facebook. That's the only place he's at, is on Facebook, Patrick Kelly. You've probably seen him on some S10 pages across Facebook. So anyway, here's one of his kits. I'm not going to video the install on today's video. That'll be the next one. I just wanted to show the part off and just express how excited I am to finally have it. So anyway, stay tuned for the install video. We'll see how it fits. I've kind of held it up to it just to eyeball it, and I'm gonna have to trim just a little bit on the back corner back here, but that's the way you had to do on the others. We'll have to cut like a little section out to wrap around this. I'll have to get up under and drill me some holes through this top side, bolt it into the bottom side of the bed, and then I'll have the roll pan. I'll get up under there, get that installed. So anyway, stay tuned for that, and I'll tell the story behind what happened to the truck real quick. So anyway, this was 2015, keep in mind, so 9 years ago. I was out at my local insurance company paying my car insurance bill, and went inside, paid the bill, came back out, got in the truck, was waiting to back out of my parking spot, and all of a sudden somebody hit me in the back end right there in the car insurance parking lot. So it didn't really hurt this side too bad. Obviously it hit mostly right here and didn't even really like hit it super hard to like destroy anything, but it broke that side of the kit, broke the roll pan, shoved the tailgate in. The alignment's still off, so I'm going to try to work on some of this and mess some of this up. So anyway, there's the story behind that. And yeah, you could not find these things for years. We finally have one. So stay tuned for the install video. Stay tuned for other videos on the red truck. I know you guys are waiting to see more videos on that, and that is coming soon. I'm hoping to get the truck moved here to the garage here within the next week or two, hopefully. And we'll get started on that rebuild. If you guys don't know what happened to that, follow some of the previous videos, and you'll find out what happened to that. So appreciate you guys watching. Stick around for more, and subscribe, like, comment, all the good things associated with that. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys.